Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today we're going to make a nice, creamy, tangy mayonnaise. For this recipe, we'll need 3 tablespoons of white vinegar, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of sugar, a half teaspoon of ground mustard, and 2 cups of sunflower oil, as well as 2 eggs. First, we'll add our egg. And to this, we'll add our 3 tablespoons of white vinegar, a teaspoon each of salt and sugar, and a half teaspoon of ground mustard. Once we put most of our ingredients in, we'll start our food processor and slowly drip the sunflower oil into it on low speed. Now we have a nice creamy mayonnaise suitable to use on sandwiches or in coleslaw that will keep in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.